Hey Glam Fam, so today we are going to be jumping into the Jaclyn Hill palette, Volume 2. I made a new channel, guys, for more of my personal stuff. It is called Josie K. You can find it in the description below. I'm really trying to get to 100 followers, so please go check that out. Maybe hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so when I do upload, which will be soon hopefully, you'll get the notification. A more personal look into my life, and also it's gonna follow me and update you guys on my keto weight loss journey and what I do for that weight loss, such and such, and what and what not. And yeah, I am so excited about this because you guys already know that the first Jaclyn Hill palette is like one of my absolutely favorite palettes ever. I use it so much, and I am so excited to jump into this new palette to see if it's as good as the first volume. I've heard rumors of good, I've heard rumors of bad, and I guess I'm going to go in and see for myself. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. I put out new videos every single week on this channel, and for all of my Glam Fam out there, I started a new personal channel. It will be linked down below. It is called Josie K, and I am waiting until I get 100 of you guys over there to post a more personal video. I'm so excited. If you guys have already subscribed, let me know in the comments below and I will be sure to thank every single one of you. So let's jump into this video. This is the first Jaclyn Hill palette. This is what it looks like. I pretty much take it everywhere I go. This is like one of my go-to travel palettes if I have the room. And then here is the new palette. So let me take this out. Ooh, ASMR. Oh. All right. This is what the new palette looks like. As you can see, it has different font. This one is the first one, this one is the second one. I will tell you guys that the back is not the same, which I really liked that the version 1 had the palette colors on the back, which kind of sucks, but you know, that's alright. Let's open this bad boy up. I really like that they stayed with the white theme with the silver accent. This is what, take this off. This is what the new palette looks like. It has some super bright colors in here, which I am so excited about. And I also really like that they have the names underneath each shadow. I really think that is such a nice touch to any palette, really. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. So you can see you're getting quite a few new shades, and it is actually a different color story, which I absolutely love. So that's it for packaging. Let's move on to the makeup. So I've already done my foundation with the Juvia's Place stick foundation and my concealer, which is the Collab concealer, and I've set my whole face with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. So I also have just filled in my brows just a little bit with some powder. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma eyeshadow base primer. And this is in the color Ignite. This is one of my favorite primers. It is so amazing. I will link it in the below description if you would like to check it out. I am a Sigma affiliate, so if you do purchase something, I do get a small commission off of it, and I really do appreciate you guys when you do use it. But that will be down there, and you do not have to use it. Just gonna blend that in. See how easy it blends out, guys? That's why I love this. It's just a really super easy base. Set the eye just a little bit We don't need like a full set. I just don't want it to really grab onto the shadows. And this is what I would do with any of my shadows. I want to do kind of a colorful look today. And you can see this yellow. Obviously, I have this yellow hair, so I really want to incorporate the yellow somewhere. We're gonna go in with First Perfectionist, this color right here. We're going to blend that into the lid. All right, it's applying very nicely. So, I will say that the color kind of came out a little bit more orangey than I was expecting, but that is okay. That's all right, that happens sometimes. We are also going to run that Perfectionist color underneath our eye. All right, done. So since this came out a little bit more orangey than I thought, we're just gonna roll with it and go into My Man, this color right here. It's like a bright orange. And we are going to pop that into our crease as well. Just don't blend it as high as we did the last color. I'm also going to run a little bit of this underneath as well. All right, so moving on, we are going to go in with the Livin' My Best, which I am so excited for because I love a good red shadow and it looks pretty true blue-based red to me. I'm so excited to use this. We're gonna pop this into the crease as well, but once again, don't blend as high as the last color. Underneath as well, only halfway in though. Just like that. Now we're gonna go in and cut our crease with some concealer. And the concealer I'm gonna be using today is, again, the Collab Concealer. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to. I'm gonna go in with No Joke, the yellow. And we are going to pack that onto the majority of the cut crease, except for the very inner portion of it, because I want to put something shiny there. And then I'm just going to blend that into the orange and red that we have over here. I will say that the yellow is a little patchy. All right, then I'm gonna go into I'm In It, which is this color right here. It's like a iridescent purple white, if that makes sense. We're going to pack this onto the inner portion of this cut crease. I will say those two shadows are not layering on top of each other as well as I would like them to. But again, guys, this is just my first time using the palette, so I don't want you to judge it only on this review. Because, I mean, look at the eye look. It still looks stunning. It's just not performing as well as the first palette. Now I'm just going to go into Livin' My Best, which is the red, and then next, which is this mauve color, and we are going to pack that onto the outer portion of this eye look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Certified, which is this very milky shade right here, the first one. Right here. And we are going to put that underneath our brow and blend that down a little bit. That is all of the colors that I'm going to be using for this makeup look. I'm going to do my liner. which I'm going to be using something that I just bought, which I'm really excited about. This is the new Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner by NYX, and this is in the color red, and I'm going to line my eyes with this. I used to be obsessed with red liner, especially when Tarte came out with their aubergine liner. I used to use that almost every single day. So I am super excited about this. This is what this looks like. And oh my god, it looks so nice. You can use this on your body or your face, which is really, really cool because it shows like tattoos on the back of the box on a model, which is really cool. We're just gonna go in and line our eyes. Red liner done. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and some mascara, and I will be right back. Today I will be using the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes in the style 860. Alright, lashes on. We're gonna move on to lips. I've went back and forth to what I want to do. You guys can probably already guess what lip color I'm gonna do, and I'm sorry, I'm a creature of habit, but I'm gonna do black. But I'm also gonna put a little bit of orange on top of it, so that's how we're gonna change it up. This is Black Lava from Candylicious. This is probably one of the best black liquid lipsticks I have ever used. Now I'm just going to take the Stila in Tesoro. This is like a orange color, and I'm just going to dab this into the center. And then we're going to blend that out with our finger. I'm going to be going in with the KVD Metal Crush highlighting palette. And I'm going to go in with the orange, and we're going to highlight. There we go. Makeup is done. All in all, I think the Jaclyn Hill palette is worth the money, although it does feel a little different than the first Jaclyn Hill palette, if that makes sense. I still think it's a great palette, and it has a really, really pretty color scheme, and I really like it, okay? I do. All in all, I would say it's still a buy. In my eyes, it is definitely a great palette to add to your collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and turn on the ting bell notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. Also, don't forget to go subscribe to my other channel that I just made. I'm really trying to get to 100 followers, and that will be in the description below as well. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah!